have to keep reminding myself to run this radio on low power, otherwise it overheats because of where I've got it. I need to find an extension for the electrical, whether it's the standard plug or something, that I can just extend this a little bit. I can put it in a better spot.
Yeah, what radio are you running? What do you have it like under the seat or wedged in the seat or something?
Yeah, I've got it wedged between the driver's seat and the center console. It's the QYT.
What's that, 9800?
980.
What's that, 9800?
980 plus. It's the QYT, not the TYT.
Oh, that's the one I got you.
Yeah, that's the one.
Can I read you? What good for you? Get a radio that'll last me more than 3 years. That'd be great.
Wow, I got a couple of road ragers raging right around me. Freaking honking and cutting me off, going around me at a red light, and now they're in traffic in front of me pointing at each other.
Yep. Other people's kids.
Now I think she looked back and noticed that I got light bars and I'm talking on a radio. So now she's freaking out.
Yeah, she probably doesn't care.
You want to pull it over?
Yeah, she probably doesn't care.
You want to pull it over?